Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So this video, guys, is on the DJI Neo. What is it? Well, it's the smallest and most affordable drone on the DJI lineup of products. Really cool. It's a budget drone. It's super lightweight, super compact. You could take it practically anywhere, stick it in your backpack. I even got a case for it from Amazon, and I also picked up 2 more batteries. So I'm looking forward to taking this on a trip that's coming up in the next few days, and I'm going to have some really cool videos and images for you from this drone, so stay tuned. On this video, we're going to talk about some of the pros and cons. We're going to unbox it. We're going to take it on its first couple of flights just on my driveway, so nothing crazy. And also we're going to talk about why I think this is everyone's drone. Now, if you're new to drones, if you've been intimidated by drones, I totally get it. I have the DJI Spark as well. I've had this for a couple of years now, and this is a lot more involved, right? It comes with this remote control. You plug in your phone into it, you connect it, and you fly this bad boy. But it is intimidating. I've crashed this a bunch of times. I've hit trees, I've hit walls. I thought I lost it over water once because the battery was dying. So tons of nerve-wracking experiences with this one, but I've kind of mastered it now. And you know, that's what happens once you fly it enough. You really get the hang of these things and you really enjoy it. This one, on the other hand, is basically set up for autonomous flight mode. So what does that mean? Well, there's a voice prompt here. You could see I'm going to click this and it's going to talk to you. Follow. Dronie. Circle. There's about 6 different modes on this thing, which is really cool. So you don't even have to control the drone at all with your phone. You can. There is a manual mode on it. You could even get in an optional remote control. You could get the goggles. You get the whole shebang if you want to. Or you simply get this and the battery and the basic package for $250 Canadian, and you are on your way, my friend. Really, really cool. I truly believe it's a drone for everyone. Check out this review. Please like and subscribe. As always, leave your comments down below. All in all, super impressed with this. Let's talk about some pros. Let's talk about some cons. And let's get flying. All right, guys, I switched to my Meta Ray-Bans here, which also is fairly new. I'll do a review on that. So I unboxed it. There's a couple things that come in the box here. We have a little tool, I guess for the propellers or whatnot, if you need to open that up. A little charging cable, looks like USB-C. Then we have another sleeve with all the manuals, getting started guides, etc. And we also have this cool little sticker book that they included. Where did that sticker book go? I just had it in my hand 2 seconds ago. Oh, it's right over here actually. But for the real big fans, a whole bunch of stickers that you could stick on and have fun with. And then the actual drone, as you can see, it's sealed in this little plastic bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I think you guys are gonna be pretty damn amazed by the size of this thing and the weight of this thing. It's pretty crazy. And this has a battery attached to it as well, right? So look at this thing. It's super small, super tiny. Batteries are already attached. I am gonna buy another battery for this, maybe even 2. I see Amazon sells OEM stuff too. I'll just buy it from the DJI side or the Best Buy site. But all in all, I'm gonna get a couple of these bad boys because I think it's about 10 to 15 minutes of fly time. Also, obviously, lots of factors like the weather conditions, how windy it is, things like that. But pretty cool. Again, guys, super light. I can't believe it. Fits in the palm of your hand. Keep in mind this thing's gonna take off and land on your on the palm of your hand for the most part. So the cool thing about this thing is, I mean, you could expect it to take quite a few hits, right? I mean, this thing, it doesn't have object avoidance like the DJI Spark does and a lot of the other DJI Air and things like that. So it's very likely that this thing could hit objects and get beaten up a little bit. That being said, you have a nice little propeller guard on this thing to protect it from really destroying the propellers and having them fly off or break or snap or whatever it is. So I really like that part. First impressions are just exactly what I thought they're gonna be. I'm super impressed with it. and I can't wait to take this thing on trips and stuff like that. So all in all, pretty cool stuff. First impressions. Let's fly tomorrow and see how it goes. All right, guys, so before I put some videos of the actual drone, I'm going to pull up the app here, and you'll see from the drop down there's multiple different modes. So manual control is also very possible. So if you select manual control, you'll get a couple joysticks here pop up, and you'll be able to actually take off, fly, and land with no issues. There's also some settings for each one of these modes. You could select the distance that you want the drone to travel. So 10 meters tends to be the max of most of them. Some of them are 20 meters. You could see the Dronie here is 10 meters. There's another one here, I believe it's circle, where it'll let you select 20 meters. Yeah, here it is. And the circle's really cool. I did a 2-meter circle or 4-meter circle inside my house for my daughter's birthday, as you could see from this video here. Really cool. And we kind of edited it a little bit, put some music in there, and got a cool little circle. Here's me looking very mad for some reason. I have no idea why. But it's just outside here. I took it on my driveway. This is just a 2-meter or 4-meter type of radius, but really cool. As you can see, it's doing a circle as well. I tried a bunch of other things here, including the rocket and a few other things. It came out really well. Again, I'm looking forward to putting a lot more videos over the next few days as I take this on vacation with me. Thanks, guys. See you next time.